Hi everybody, welcome back. Probably wondering what is this that I'm holding. I'll give you just the background on it. My wife's Ford Taurus. Wife says it's making a lot of noise, but it's every now and then. I go out there, check fluids, I check the engine, everything's running good, it idles good, I don't hear the noise. Long story short, I take it for a ride, I hear the noise. Sounds like something's vibrating really bad. All making a loud noise. The engine idling is still good, it runs good, blah blah blah. Come to find out, the coolant fans are only kicking on high. They're not kicking on as far as the low circuit's concerned, or low speed circuit is not kicking on. Now these cars are set up so when the AC's on, the fans will kick on the low speed. Well, it's not doing that. So come to find out, the low speed resistor is bad. And this is it right here. This is what it looks like. Alright. On the 2006 Ford Taurus, it's actually on the top shroud of the fan. And it just holds with these two clips. Now if you remove the cover, you'll see the resistor. Alright, so you got the two resistors here. And then you got what I believe to be a one-way diode. On this, the diode let go. I tried to find a diode that I could use in here to replace it with, instead of replacing this whole piece, but I couldn't find one. So I ended up ordering a used one. And it came in today. It's used. Doesn't look a whole lot better than what I got now. But we're going to test it with the multimeter before I even attempt to put this in. Just a real quick ohms check. And I'll show you what this is the old one. It should change, and it doesn't. So that means we got no flow from one side to the other. Now the one I just ordered, the used one that I ordered, and you see it changes. So we're good. It's a good product, so let's go and install this on the vehicle. Trying to show you that is where it belongs, or where it goes. It's a little slot right in here, and that's where it goes, and this is the pigtail for it. Right now the AC's on and the fans are not working, and that's what it was doing before with the broken one. So this goes in, it just slides right in, and you got two pins that hold it. Plastic pins. Alright. Now, when I connect these, low speed circuit should kick on. And there we go. Fans are on. They're moving slowly, but they're on right now because the AC's on. Without it, the low speed circuit would not kick on. And that actually runs both fans. That'll prevent the fans from kicking on high like they were. And my wife feeling that different, sound, noise, sound, vibration, whatever. So that's all it was. The low speed coolant fan resistor. You can see how it just sits in there. If it's not working on low speed, or if the fans ain't kicking on while your AC system's running, air conditioning system's running, then you probably have a bad resistor. I mean, go ahead and check your fuses and all that first, which is what I did. And the resistor is what it ended up being. I come to find out you can't get this part anywhere except the dealership. And they want like $100 for it. So that's why I went used for 25 bucks. Hopefully it lasts a while. Another sign that you may have an issue with your coolant fan low speed is your air conditioning. Inside the car, you'll notice that it gets warm and then it gets cold. Warm, cold. That could be a sign that your low fan speed is not working. All right, everybody take care. Bye-bye. Hope this is helpful.